Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Let's start our lesson which is about water pollution. Okay, water, it is important for us. Because it is important for us. 3/4 of our body is made up of water. So this water must be fresh. Okay, it should be clean. Okay, so when this water is polluted, when any unwanted thing it is enter into the water, then this water will become polluted. Okay, so it is called water pollution. When a river originates in the mountain, its water is clean and pure. When it passes alongside a farm, chemicals from fertilizers may be washed into it. You know very well that many factories, they release their waste directly into the air. So directly into the river. Okay, so when the water which is coming from the mountains, when it enter into the river, it will combine with the water which contain waste of factories. Now this water will become polluted because many chemicals, harmful chemicals, it also combine with this clean water. Okay, when it flows past a town, chemicals from factories and houses flow into it. Now chemicals which are coming from the factories and also which are coming from the houses, now they will also combine with this water. So now this water is dirty. Okay, now this water is not clean. Dirty water from houses is called sewage. Okay, the water which is dirty and which comes from the houses. Okay, dirty water of houses is called sewage. Okay, so this, now due to sewage and chemicals of factories, water will become polluted. So what is actually water pollution? Any physical, temperature, oxygen, chemicals or biological change to water that adversely affects its use by a life begins. Okay, so it's mean when we change this water. Okay, when we change the quality and quantity of water by adding different chemicals which come from the factories and the sewage which come from the houses, when we release these dirty water and chemicals into the clean water, now this water is polluted and it is called water pollution. Okay, so students, when a river reaches the sea, it may be full of poisonous substances. Okay, the water which comes from start from the mountains and it will reach the river and it will combine with the chemicals, sewage. When finally this river water reaches the sea. Okay, now this is not a simple water, it is now poisonous water because it contains many poisonous gas chemicals. Okay, so people bath and wash in rivers, animals drink water from them. Polluted water contains chemicals, bacteria and other substances which can make people ill or even cause death. Bacteria living in the dirty water use up the oxygen in the water that fish and other animals and plants need to breathe. Okay, so plants and animals living in dirty water may die. So this is very harmful for all animals, plants and human beings which are living, which are taking water, and those animals and plants which are living in this dirty water, it is very harmful for those. Okay, so some animals and plants, they will die. Rivers carry polluted water to the seas and ocean. This pollution can kill sea animals and plants. Factories in many countries dump their rubbish and waste material into the sea. Oil tankers carry tons of oil. If an oil tanker leaks, it creates an oil spill in the sea. Oil kills fish, seabirds and other sea animals. So this water pollution, it is very harmful. Okay, now I will briefly tell you here the causes of water pollution. About 40% of deaths worldwide are caused by water pollution. Okay, so 40% of death is due to this water pollution because we drink this water which is polluted, which contains many harmful chemicals, poisonous. Okay, when we use this water we become die. Okay, we will die. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged into rivers. Okay, noise also causes anxiety, stress reactions and fright. Okay, so the unwanted waste from the factories and unwanted waste from the homes, when it will enter, it will thrown into the, it will discharge into the water. Now this water is poisonous. Okay, it will cause many diseases and it will damage many plants and animals. Okay, so in next lesson I will tell you about the effects and how we avoid this water pollution. Okay, thank you.